What's up, TikTokers? Let's talk about the judgment trap. Here's what it looks like. You meet people, you work with people, you interact with people, you're either comfortable or you're not. As a result, you're going to assign traits and judgments. You're comfortable with somebody, you're going to be more open to relationship developing, you're going to be more open to future interactions, you're going to be more likely to assign positive traits and positive judgments to those folks. All is good. How about the people you're not comfortable with? First and foremost, I'm not suggesting they're doing anything intentionally to make you uncomfortable. They're not being weird or goofy or awkward or crossing boundaries or anything like that, anything intentional. It may be a difference in personality, a difference in behavior, likely something we don't understand about us or them that's driving this, but nonetheless, we feel uncomfortable. What's going to happen is we're going to be less open to relationship developing. We're going to start to avoid future interactions, and we're more likely to assign negative traits and judgments. This is the judgment trap because we may never get out of it. This may be the narrative we have about other people, and it just may not be accurate, and that's risky. So there are some things we can do to avoid the judgment trap or climb out of it once we're in it. First thing we need to realize, up to 92% of the people we work with may work and communicate differently than we do. This is a recipe for miscommunication, misunderstanding, conflict, and unnecessary stress. So if we know that, we can do things different. Number two, our discomfort with other people likely has more to do with us than them. Likely our need is not being met. We can learn more about that. We can change our perspective. We can do things different. It may change the trajectory and everything we're doing. Number three, we need to disrupt the automatic patterns, the needs and stress responses with active thinking. This means we just have to play a more active role in our experience, get to know your thoughts and your feelings and your emotions and your actions and why you're judging the person the way they are. Are they valid or not? If they're not, climb out of the dang judgment trap there. We can observe behavior, and if we're willing to observe behavior, that's going to tell us how to work with people. People are different. They do things different. They have different needs. They have different stressors. We can learn about all of that, and that will help us work and communicate more effectively. It will make our lives easier. And finally, doing all this, we can reset expectations for people. We are very hard on ourselves and other people, and we can reset expectations. So when we encounter behaviors that maybe historically rubbed us the wrong way, we may not always love it, but we may understand it, and that is freedom. We're going to realize it's not about us. It's more about them doing what they do to meet their needs. And oh, by the way, I know how to work and communicate with them so we can both accomplish more. This whole process, greater self-awareness equals better self-management and better decisions, better relationships, better results, and less stress. Avoid the judgment trap, and if you're in it, get out of it.